Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. Today we're looking at Fubo. We're at Thinkorswim. Have an option expiring at the end of the week. It's getting near options expiration. It's deep in the money. Not going to make it. So we got to roll. Here we go. We're going to roll them out. So we're going to go out to the next monthly option. All right, see what we get. Oh, about $100. That's pretty good. All right, I'll take it. Let's go a little under. Hold on. Let's go a little under, and that's pretty good actually, right there. All right, let's do it before it changes too much. All right, so we get some credit. Okay, working. It's too slow. I didn't make it. Replace. Drop it a little. Still pretty good, over $90 for a month. Can't beat that. That's pretty decent. So deep in the money. All right. Okay. What's going on here? Okay. I really would have liked to stay above 90, but it's not going to happen. Oh, I'm chasing it now. This, man, what's going on? It's dropping. Dropping like a rock. All right, filled. Cool. Whew. All right, well, that's not going to get exercised anytime soon, so that's good. Still at risk a little bit with BlackBerry. I'm going to let it ride another day. It's right at 13. I was really hoping it'd go up, pop up higher with all the Wall Street bets and the attention it's been getting with the meme stock, momentum stock craze. IDEX is going pretty good. I don't think I'm going to do anything there, even if it expires in the money. I'm just going to take the stock because I really like the company. It's a good infrastructure play in the long run. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I have for today with the options trade. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know how you're doing with the options trading. I'm interested to know in the comments below. All right, guys, thanks for watching.